Hello everyone on YouTube. This is another video of, this is an unboxing video of the Turtle Beach X12s. It's a Xbox 360 headset as a replacement to my other one. So I'm going to open this up real quick. And then when I open it up, there will be the specs. I'll talk about that. Oh wow. Not only is it the thing for not only is the package the headset, it's the RCA audio cable. It's the audio cable for the headset, so I can unbox both. I can actually do that. I'll do that in both videos. Well, in this whole video. You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, it came with a few things. Obviously it came with the headset. It's green, has a huge mic on it. It has the USB plug in it somewhere. I'm not really good at doing this, but it'll have to do. Yeah, the USB cable is in there somewhere, and then it has the pink and the green wire, or plug, for one is for the mic and one is for the sound. This is the chat cable. There you go. Is there anything else? Open the other package. Now here's this. It's supposed to work with the Xbox 360 Slim, which I have right in there. So yeah, I gotta unplug some stuff and try the headset out. So, thank you for watching, and, comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter, at TyStorm94 is my Twitter name, and on my Twitter account you'll get to see updates for future videos. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.